Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful button crafts ideas. So I hope viewers you like my videos. So let's start. Today videos, friends. So viewers, button rainbow art. Arrange button in rainbow colors. Glue them in colors. Lines that look bright and happy. Great for home decoration. Follow for more creative ideas. Button heart card. Draw heart shape on papers. Fill it with red and pink buttons. Glue them carefully. Your handmade card is very perfect for kids. Don't forget to like this video. So viewers, next area is button. Button is unused big button for the body and small ones for wings, ultra legs and big. With the marker it looks so affordable, perfect for kids. Art budget. Subscribe and viewers, I hope you like my video, so please subscribe to channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. And friends, so and I have to see you in the next video, friends. So Khuda Hafiz, take care.